If you have a screenshot or an image where you want to redesign or change the text, but the text isn't editable like normal Canva text, don't worry. This AI trick can turn the text in your image into editable text directly inside Canva. And the best part is, you can try this using your free Canva account. So if you find this trick useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Canva tips. First, open Canva and create a new design. Now look at the bottom left corner and click on Apps. In the Apps search bar, type Codia AI Design. Select the app and follow the instructions to connect it to Canva. Once the connection is complete, upload your image to Codia AI Design and follow its requirements for the image, such as the supported size or format. You can actually have some fun with this feature. For example, you could use it to redesign your own screenshots or create mockups for your projects. Now upload the image you want to edit. It can be a Pinterest-style design, a screenshot, or even something like an Instagram profile screenshot. After uploading, the AI will analyze your image. Give it a moment to process everything. And now, here's the cool part. Once the analysis is finished, your image can become editable, including the text. You can click on the text and change it just like you would normally edit text in a Canva design. For example, you can change the wording, redesign the layout, or adjust the text to fit your project. Let's try another example with a screenshot. Upload the screenshot, let the AI analyze it, and once the process is complete, you can start editing the detected text. So instead of manually recreating an entire design or typing everything again, you can use this AI-powered workflow to make the process much faster. One important thing, use this feature for your own designs, mockups, or content you have permission to edit. Don't use it to misrepresent real documents, transactions, or other people's information. If this trick helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below what Canva AI trick you want me to cover next.